Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday. This week, I think I would like for us to continue on with activity logs. A lot of you enjoyed them, and they were a lot easier to do with all the other work you have in your other classes. I know you guys still have a lot of work to do, so I'm just going to continue on with activity logs. And your video today is our guy Joe again, PE with Joe and Rosie, and it's the video they actually recorded this morning. It's 36 minutes long, almost 37 minutes, so you can skip through and find different things to write about, to talk about, how many times did she rest and what exercise did she do, what muscle groups did she work out, stuff like that. So just go ahead and watch different parts of the video so you can give me a good review on it. Of course, right here you're going to put your type of activity, and then below you're going to put your time of activity. Nothing is too big or too small. Whatever type of activity you did, I want to know about it. A lot of you actually did the YouTube videos. So if you want to work out with Joe and Rosie, obviously he's not doing anything because his arm is in a sling and he's hurt. But if you wanted just to do a couple exercises that she's doing, you can just put, I did some exercises from the video, or if you want to do the whole video, that's fine too. And then come down here and write your 3 to 4 sentences. A lot of you have done that, and you've done an awesome job so far. And a couple of you still aren't giving me 3 to 4 sentences. You're just giving me like one sentence or maybe even a couple words, and you think I'm going to give you credit for it, and I'm not. So just pay attention to how long your review is. So that's about it. We're probably going to do this all week. Or I might change my mind, but just make sure you're paying attention to the instruction videos and all the assignments. And let me know if you have any issues or if you have any questions. Just shoot me an email. But as of today, we're just doing our activity log, and turn that in and remember to take attendance.